Hey guys, this is Kyler with GGC bringing you a 1,600 square foot build. This is really accommodating a lot of people because it's the lower square footage. You know, the prices of square footage is going up, and you can get in one of these homes for a really good price at a really common pre-approval rate. Got your attic access space as you walk in on this 2-car garage. Of course, your breaker box located here. We got a light up there for you with some plywood laid out for you to put some extra storage. Garage opener here, and you can download an app and you can actually open and close your garage from your app. Coming into the foyer area of the 1,600 square foot home, you've got the master bedroom located on this side of the home by itself. Got the carpets laid out in this bedroom. This is really nice. You don't sacrifice a whole lot of storage space on these 1,600 square foot builds because you get the closet space offered in between for you to put some of your in-between items. Coming into this bathroom here, you got your LVP flooring laid down. This is a really unique dark floor. I don't know the technical term for it, but it looks really, really nice. Of course, your tile shower stand up with your glass door here. Really big size, no tub, so you get the bigger tile shower area with your dual vanity sink. Really good looking granite here. If I had the spec sheet, I'd tell you exactly which one it is, but we'd be glad to show you and answer all your questions on the GGC page. Feel free to message us. Got our master closet here with plenty of closet space coming around with the racks. Of course, your unique window area here inside of the closet. And on the other side, we've got the toilet area, private over here, standalone. And of course, in the back left corner there, you've got plenty of closet space again to store some of your in-between items, your towels, some of your soaps, whatever you need. And of course, plenty of pull handles on a lot of these cabinets with the nickel finish on it. I'll take you across the other side of the house. We've got all of our bedrooms located over here. Alarm system here at the front of the house. Check out this living area. For a 1,600 square foot build, you cannot ask for anything more than something like this. You've got the vaulted ceiling upgrade. The fireplace upgrade looks really, really nice. I love the colors that they went with on this. The backsplash going really well with the countertop color here. It looks really, really nice. I like how this island, you see how it's located out here in the center, facing everything. It's one of those rotated islands that can face the front door area, the dining room area. You got counter space to fit it all. Really unique features in this build. Got that farmhouse feel there on the ceiling fans and the lighting. Really big pantry area for your overflow space here. A lot of racks wrapping around in here. 4 or 5 racks there, and of course you still got the flooring space there in case you need to store anything. Huge living area going over to your back porch side. Blinds inside of the door there for you. Guys, coming out on your back porch area, you got these beautiful stained posts here matching your fixtures. Brick roll lock clashing really well with the light vinyl. Beautiful pool, you can't miss it. Hughes Pools does a great job for us. Big backyard area. This is over an acre lot here. Fence wrapped around. It's looking really good. They've got all the posts set, fence done, and a really good time for this homeowner. A lot of concrete poured around here for some common area space. Got a door added on that back bedroom so you can go straight out to the pool area. Got your gas hookup here. Have a good grill out here. Got your water hookup there for some washing or whatever you need to do out here. A really thought through plan. Got this lapped hardy board coming across the side. Everything is just a great color. I love the way this dark color clashes off of everything. We'll go around this side. I'll show you inside of this bedroom. We've got it locked here. And even the trim of these windows goes well with all the fixtures. Floodlights on the corners there for you. Plug outlets located pretty much everywhere you go, so you don't have to worry about that. Taking you to the other side of this home, separate from the master and the living area we've already discussed. This laundry room is a really big space here, accommodates anything you want to do, mainly because you got the wash sink in the corner. You're going to have the granite countertop there, and across this hallway here for these 2 bedrooms, you got this full bath. Of course, got the mirrors already up, some of the finishing touches already done. Coming into this bedroom, you've got your carpet. This is only the 2nd carpeted bedroom in this house. Plenty of closet space to be offered inside of this bedroom. This 1,600 square foot plan is unique because it brings wherever you want your space at, and you want to accommodate whoever you're accommodating as far as the different designs, the different specifications and selections in these bedrooms. And when I mention that, you see the different floor coloring here. This is the master bath. A different fixture in here, really nice. It's an upgraded fixture here for this one. It's really nice. It's doing a good job of blowing some wind on me here for sure. I know it works well. You got your good closet space here on the back side of this bedroom, and they've got this door inserted to go straight onto the back porch area in the pool area. Summertime's coming up. It's going to be a great time to experience this, to go straight from the bedroom to the pool. You can just run out and jump right in. It's really suited up to be a really nice build. The selections that this owner's made has really brought this together with the dark colors clashing with the light colors. He's got a lot of, like I said before, this lap siding here, this hardy board. It looks really nice, and he's got the different textures across the front, as you'll see here in just a minute. Contact us, and I'm really excited to bring this square footage to you and bring a build like this to you, because this 1,600 square foot really relates and applies to a lot of people, because it falls within that price range of the most common pre-approval amount. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a huge living space. You don't really have to sacrifice anything. Of course, this one is over an acre lot, as I mentioned before, with the fenced-in backyard. Contact us, message us, ask us any questions that you have. We'll be glad to answer it for you. Of course, everything's charged by the square footage amount, and with this will be in the lower square footage. It's good for a small family. It's also got a lot of unique features, like the master bedroom being on the whole other side of the home, plenty of storage, and GGC does a wonderful job of keeping everything together and trying to accommodate everybody, whether it be a spec home, whether it be a pre-sold home. We've got about 16, 17 lots available here at the landing. If you haven't checked us out and you're from the Enterprise area, or if you're not from the Enterprise area, please come take a look. It is a really unique neighborhood. It's really spaced out, and we can't wait to present it to you. Thank you all for tuning in again at GGC, and we look forward to talking to you soon.